Yo, fun fact, did you know the stock Z wheels are directional and they're on the wrong side of the car?
I did not know that.
Problem is they got directional tires that are mounted on the wrong wheels. So you can't put this, you can't fix it. Someone commented like one of the first videos I made of it and they're like, yo, the wheels are on the wrong side.
I don't know, the car still gets around.
It gets around, and you guys saw one of the first things we did was unbox some wheels for this thing, so it's not like I've been super worried about how the wheels or tires are mounted anyways, because we know we're about to fix it. But you guys saw in the last video that we lowered the Z, we got some AMS coilovers on this thing, and we chose to raise the rear to match the front. It's not super slammed, but it is actually like a nice rocket ship stance.
Yeah, it's got a clean look. Better than it was, that's for sure.
Yeah, so we basically just left it like this because these are 16s. We're gonna be putting 18s on, so it's gonna be like 2 inches bigger. Yeah. It's gonna look nice. Putting coils on the Z only gets rid of about half the grandpa effect. Now it looks like it could be kind of sporty. It could just be saggy grandpa. This could just be bad suspension. So you know, next thing we gotta do, immediately follow up.
Can we open them?
Yeah, we can open them. Dude, these look so good. Like the paint is so cool. So flaky for a wheel. So these are the Heritage Amolas. When I first got these things about a month ago, these were brand new. I literally got them like a week after they released. These are super clean, just monoblock wheels. They actually make the Amola, make it in 3-piece too.
They make pretty much, I think they make all their monoblocks in a 3-piece.
I think it's gonna be a sick wheel for the Z. It's super clean. It's just really like nice and simple. And it's honestly sort of reminds me of the stock wheel. Like not, but like not too far from it, you know? They obviously have a little Heritage center cap and the valve stems and stuff. I haven't put them on yet. I'm gonna wait till they're mounted and balanced and stuff before we start throwing stuff on there.
And the other thing about these wheels is, for those of you that don't know, I have a set of Heritage wheels on my Skyline, and they are respectfully cheap.
These are like $1,099 for 4, and they're nice wheels.
Yeah, like for an affordable wheel, I'd say you get your money's worth.
I'm pumped because these are like a newer style, like we said, so not a lot of people are running these. Chris's wheels are actually one of my favorite wheels that Heritage makes, just of all time. I think they're super simple, super clean. They are becoming quite a popular wheel though. Like these boys are so hot, dude. And of course, no set of wheels are complete without a nice, fresh set of meat. So you guys know the Z is a car that I have wanted for a very long time. So of course, you know, we had to partner with Toyo Tires again and get the best of the best. We got the Proxy Sports. These are 235 40 R18.
Probably told you.
Yeah, you probably did tell me to get 225s. Chris told me to get stance pants to the max. I got stance pants to a little bit less of the max. These are the same tires I've been running on the BRZ since we did the Karma body kit. These things, they're just good.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm not gonna lie, Toyo is like a #1 brand.
They are, and they look nice. Like they just look like a nice tire. They grip up super good. I love the ones in the BRZ. So when it came time to like this, that we're actually gonna throw some power at it and stuff, I was like, we need Proxy Sport. And they're all the same. So these, I got 4 235 40s, 18s, because it's a square setup for the car.
Exactly.
That's the sizing for the tires, and the wheels are 18 by 9.5, so the 22 offset. 22 is like the magic offset number for old Nissans.
Yeah, I'd say so.
I test fit them alone like a month ago before the car was lowered, but you want to give them a quick little peeksies before we go get these things mounted?
I want to see how they're gonna dial up. I'm telling you, man, I feel like it's gonna be damn near close to like a 0, or not a 0, like a flush fitment. We obviously got to give you guys the show here.
Ooh, nice. Dude, this is gonna look so good.
Yeah, that's gonna be sharp.
I feel like the camera's doing something funny with the shadows. Once we get tires on there, you guys will see. It's just an 18 up from a 16, so it's not, I don't know why it looks like it's a 25. But dude, look how much better that feels with the wheel well. This is what we were saying.
I cannot wait. I almost want to test fit like the rear just to get the side shot, man. Like this looks so good.
Mosquito, sorry.
I know, I seen him, I heard him buzzing.
No, we can't do the whole side shot, we gotta wait.
I know, we'll wait, I will wait, but man, it looks good.
All right, you wanna package these boys up and get these tires mounted so that we can get this thing on the road or what? Sorry. I was looking at the camera and not the screen because I was trying to make sure the camera was lined up. And then I just seen the trailer donkey in the head. I'm sorry.
I'm just taking this off because it looks funny.
Yeah, it looks dumb when there's no trailer. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure where we are. We drove like 45 minutes to get wheels and tires mounted here because Chris is buddies with the owner of this place or something. Honestly, I don't even really care where we are. I'm just excited to watch these guys make my wheels and tires and make sweet, sweet love. All right, first of all, there's a hair on my mouth. They're not super stretchy. They're like nice Robbie fitment. And that guy did not want me in there. Like I said, Chris's buddy's like the boss, the guy that runs this place. He's not here. He told his guys to let me in there and his guys were like, no. As soon as like the second bead was like seated, he's like, all right, you happy? And I'm like, yeah. He's like, all right, see ya.
I didn't want to go in. I'm just trying to sit out here and keep the peace. We made it back. I never actually even really looked at these wheels when we got them done because like we were just kind of like super hungry. We'd been there for a little while. We were trying to get out of there. But dude, they look so good. So look at they're not like super stretchy. But before we show you guys these, we're gonna have to do the center caps. Chris is gonna give this a nice little wipe. For some reason, they just look like knockoffs with no center cap. I just can't bring myself to reveal them to you guys like this. Dude, with the tires though. Heritage sends out these little center caps for you to put on, like little gel caps, and they also send out valve stems, which are freaking nice. Look at that, barely exists. Tiny little metal boy. I think they look so good, dude. And check out like the fitment on these things. It's actually super nice. So they're not U-stancy, but they're not like super, like they have a little stretch. A nice stance, but that can handle the pow pow for making me I'm the fastest. We're gonna unlock that mode or what?
Yeah, we'll get there. First we just gotta, you know, wheels, tires, and exhaust after them because you can't do an exhaust first.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, we good? Can we slap them on, man? Can we?
I feel like we need to get a straighter steering wheel set up here. This thing has been hella turned out, so it looks super weird, but dude, look at the fitment on the kid.
Dude, it's so mint.
It's like almost mint just how it is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's get the rest of these things on.
Okay. Okay, like so it'll clear for going for like around the block. Yeah, but we gotta roll them before we go anywhere far. I think it's one of those things where it'll clear going straight, but if I'm hooking around a corner and I go down, it's because the tire's gonna bulge out. Yeah. It's gonna catch. Yeah, it'll catch the tire for sure. So we're gonna need to roll them. All right, we got these boys all cleaned up as best we can. All of them are torqued down, and Chris went around and checked the air pressure on all of them, and they're all ready to go. There's just one more thing we need to do to the Z before we get it outside. What is the one thing the Z's missing right now? A turbo. Well, yeah, okay, but what do the other cars in the driveway that look like they belong have in common that this one does not? Bro, you're just... It's a windshield banner, bro, come on! Made a crew lower windshields, baby. One of the only items available on the website 24/7. We may now bring it outside and take a peeksies. Look at this.
Yo, these actually suit this car so well. Yeah. Oh my god. Aside from the toe being way out in the rear on both sides, this looks so good.
Starting to look like a Z.
It's yeah, it's starting to like take shape. Looks like the Z that we were envisioning when we bought it. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's starting to take shape of what we knew we were gonna do. Yeah. And it looks good. Like the fitment, obviously the car could go a little bit lower if you're trying to be stancy pants. We still have some things we want to do as far as adjusting that. Fitment as far as like offset and stuff is perfect. Look at this thing. Oh my god, the front wheels
just poke, still enough that they tuck. We haven't even done any like camber adjustments or anything. And when you look at this thing from the front, it like, I don't know how well the camera will capture it, but it just looks thick. Honestly, dude, the rear looks the same. These mud flaps gotta go. They kind of throw everything off, but the wheels poke like just the same in the back. They look nice and beefy. Feel like it definitely brought it from grandpa status. I'm not gonna say hot boy status, but it looks good. It looks real good. And honestly, I don't even need to question these proxies because you heard of the rocks they were flinging on the way over here, dude.
Oh yeah.
They chuck rocks, and I have the same things on my BRZ, and they're absolutely unreal.
You know what it is? They're all kind of like neutral with each other. Like we got the silver wheels with the off-white, and then we got your nice white banner. All the black accents like off the T-top. Goes good.
I've never liked wheels turned on a car. Bro,
Yeah,
why do I love this car?
Dude, it's specific angles, man.
Oh.
Or maybe it's just Nissan.
Look at it though. I just look at that. It just looks so nice.
Sorry, I have to take a little snappy.
You get in there, you grab that Slurpee box, you put that thing in drive. I just want to see it rolling.
Okay. We got hornets up here buzzing around, man. Look at this
In the
guy.
car? Oh, why are you in the car, bro? Yeah, there you go, Z-Lock. Did I tell you what shows up Thursday? Did I say that out loud?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Yeah.
about. Damn. Damn. Ooh. Yes, I feel like there's a certain aspect the cameras just can't capture. Like when it's that far away, you guys can't see anything. But when it turns around, it looks so good.
Man, this thing is one of those cars that the more you look at it, the more you feel like you just need to get one. I swear. Or maybe because I just love Nissans. I feel like everybody's got to have one of these things. All right, drop it and drive.
I love this car. I love it so much.
I knew you would, buddy.
Oh, buddy. I'm so pumped too because now it looks like it belongs. And when I park this thing in the driveway, I'm calling this the driveway, it's gonna blend in now. I'm happy. Also, a little update. Frank's is a beast now. Look at her. Frankie. Look at you, man. You gained so much weight. She got, what do you call it? Spayed? She got spayed 2 weeks ago. So she's been on like a really not doing anything diet for like 2 whole weeks. Well, she's been taking her 2 weeks of like little movement. We've been doing a lot of training with her, so she got fat. And she also is just getting big. Like, dude. Sit. Yes. Did she sit on the ball? Nice. Give me that. She's pretty good though. She doesn't want to run away. She wants nothing but for us to play with her. Yo, do a hop like that again. That was oh, dude, chill. Do a stunt. Ready? Hop. No? Yeah, yeah, that. What are we gonna call that? Nice. Good girl, you beast. You big beast. Anyways, shout out to Heritage Wheels and Toyo Tires for helping bring the Z to life. Also, shout out to the committed crew for the banner. Looking tight. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are pumped to see what happens with the Z. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.